Aditi, and today I'm about to make chicken ghee roast for you guys, and this is a very nice recipe. If you aren't part of my small family here on YouTube, then go ahead and click on the subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Now let's get started. Marinate your chicken with a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, a tablespoon of chili powder, and some salt. Then take some beaten egg and some seasoned flour. Dip your chicken in the egg and then coat it with some flour and then let it fry. Then again repeat the procedure for all your chicken pieces and then let it fry and keep it aside. Then in a different pan, take some oil and add some mustard seeds. Then add a handful of curry leaves. Then add cashews, which are chopped, roughly chopped, and then let it brown. After the cashews are browned, add your fried chicken in it and let it saute for about 3 to 4 minutes. And that's it, your chicken ghee roast is ready to be served. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe.